Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Spectrum account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Spectrum account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address spectrum.net like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Spectrum like this. And now to log into your account, you'll and now to log into your Spectrum account, you'll be required to click on the sign in button available over here. But if you have not yet created or signed up for a Spectrum account, you can simply click on over here which says the create a username. And if you click on the create a username button available over here, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to register an account on Spectrum. With that being said, let's click on sign in. And then you'll be redirected over here. Now in order to log into your Spectrum account, you'll be required to enter our username like this, and after that enter our password which we had registered on Spectrum at the time of creating your account. And after entering your username and your password, simply click on the I'm not a robot button in order to verify that you're a human. And with that being said, if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can always retrieve your account's username or password from this button which says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your username or your password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said guys, after entering your username and your password and verifying that you're not a robot and you're a human, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Spectrum account online from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.